to Brown IDC News. It's February 21st, and this is your #1 news source for Brown Elementary.
Have you noticed the posters all over the school? The ones that say free trees.
The third year in a row, Brown Elementary is participating in the Neighborhood Forest Program.
This program gives free trees to any student that wants one to plant in your yard at home.
You can pull off a QR code and take it home to show your parents.
Together, you can fill out the form to receive a free tree that will be delivered here at school.
These trees should be delivered just in time for Earth Day on April 22nd. Sign up today.
Have you noticed the 3D printer working away in the IDC? It has been creating items that you have been asking for.
We hope to teach students how to design their own creations using Tinkercad. That is an app and self-service.
If you have permission from your teacher, you can add this app and then Mr. D can add you to his class.
While you are twinkering in Tinkercad, you can think about problems that we can solve using this awesome tool.
For instance, maybe we are missing a piece to the game that we love to play. We could print off a replacement.
Or maybe you have an invention idea. Let Mr. D know your idea next time you're in the IDC, and maybe we can create it.
Have you been wondering how Peony is doing? Well, she is over 5 months old. We get updates 1 month late.
So here is her 4-month update. Now that she is 4 months old, she eats food that has more fiber to help develop the different compartments in her stomach.
She enjoys a sweet grain pellet mix, which gives her a lot of energy and helps her digestive system develop.
Eat as much hay and drink as much water as you want.
It's time for the Commodore Perry Ohio History Question of the Week. What is special about the state flag of Ohio?
Second with our second grade weather team to see what we can expect this weekend.
Today we will have a high of a chilly
Thursday and Friday.
28 degrees tonight. It's even colder at 12 degrees.
And teens for
Today it will be pretty cloudy and a little warm of 33 degrees.
Are starting to come up.
There won't be much
chance
this weekend for snow this weekend,
but don't put your winter gear away just yet. Computer models are hinting that the colder weather returns by the end of next week.
Sunday will be cloudy early with less clouds later. The high will be 40 degrees. It will be windier with 15 miles per hour.
Stay warm this weekend, brownies! It's time for the Hilliard History Express with our 3rd grade historians. They have been learning all about Barker's Barber Shop in Old Hilliard.
3rd grade has been working on a special history project about Main Street Barber Shop.
We met with the owner, Lisa Lentz, and we learned a lot about the building's history.
We learned about the colors on the barber pole. Blue was for dentistry, red was for bloodletting, and white was for doctors, and barbers used to do those things too.
The building used to be an ice house. You could get big blocks of ice before people had refrigerators. More next week.
Time to celebrate the birthdays from February 21st through the 27th. Head to the office to receive your birthday pencil.
Happy birthday, Zion!